The 2013 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, power brakes, clock, cargo area light, single disc in-dash CD player, push button start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.